Looking for a simple online hustle you can do from your phone in just 15 minutes a day? Easy Phone Money is an online training system designed to show everyday people how to promote a link, read proven scripts, and post online. The process is simple and beginner-friendly, with no complicated setup, technical skills, or previous online marketing experience needed. You get access to training, scripts, a promotional website, and a step-by-step online income blueprint. The system is built so you can focus on one main task, getting your link in front of more people. Members can potentially earn $200 commissions when someone purchases through their affiliate referral link. These commission opportunities can be earned over and over again, with no stated cap, depending on your effort, consistency, traffic, and results. You can promote online in different ways, including social media, free ads, paid ads, content posting, or other online marketing methods that fit your style. Inside, you also get access to a private community, live Q&A sessions, and beginner-friendly guidance to help you take simple daily action. The goal is simple: read the scripts, post online, share your link, and stay consistent. Easy Phone Money is made for people who want a clear, simple way to start promoting online from their phone. Ready to see how the system works? Click the link below this video to discover how to work toward unlimited $200 commission opportunities while promotional access is still available.